Enterprise architecture. What's it all about? What is it? So we're going to look at both Zachman and TOGAF in this model. The Zachman framework is an enterprise ontology and is a fundamental structure for architecture which provides a formal and structured way of viewing and defining an enterprise. It's a two-dimensional classification schema that reflects the intersection between two historical models. The first are primitive interrogatives: what, how, when, who, where, and why. The second is derived from the philosophical concept of reification, or the transformation of an abstract idea into an instantiation, covering contextual, conceptual, logical, physical, and detailed. And for every instance in an enterprise, you would have to answer within the context why, how, what, who, where, and when. It's a very detailed process. Some would say difficult to work with. TOGAF is an IT architecture, provides the foundation for IT strategy, and specifically it defines the components or building blocks that make up the overall information system. This is what the current version of TOGAF looks like as a meta model that covers architecture principles, vision, requirements, business architecture, information systems architectures, and technology architectures are the three main components, and then how it's going to be realized. What it looks like in a little more detail is here, and you can see under information systems architecture it would cover both data and application. It would look at the data entities, the components, the physical components, the information system services, what the applications look like. We'd want to get, from an architectural point of view, an understanding of the business and what the business is trying to deliver of value to its customers, and then the underlying technology architecture. How that's used is something like this. This is the business, the banking industry's applications framework based on TOGAF, and this is a common architecture used across all financial services organizations to ensure that the products that they are implementing meet international standards and can provide a common set of business functions.